What's up, everyone? My name is Solar Sean, and today I'm bringing to you a series I call Solar Myths. I've been in the solar industry for the last 10 years. I've explained solar thousands and thousands of times to homeowners all across the country. Right now, we're in Massachusetts. We run a company called Custom Solar. We're a team of 2 solar professionals who don't really appreciate any of the advertisements that we see these days online. It ranges from solar's a scam to, wait, don't buy solar, the government will pay for it for you. If we were relying on any of those advertisements, I wouldn't expect any of you to go solar in 2024. My aim through these videos is to provide clear, logical, and actionable advice about what it's really like to go solar in 2024. The first myth, it's the biggest elephant in the room, and that is that we see everywhere that solar is free. Personally, what I think homeowners mean when they say this, they might just be stretching the truth about their no-cost installation. It is very cool to see that a bill that you once were paying hundreds of dollars for can get dropped all the way down to zero with absolutely no out-of-pocket cost expense. The only time you'd ever incur a cost in going solar is if you wrote a check cash. Otherwise, you're always paying somebody. The good news is the bill you pay to the solar company is always cheaper than the bill you would have paid to the power company, or else we don't do it.